Hey guys, I'm Celia and welcome to my cooking channel. And today I'm going to be cooking some brown stew chicken with homemade browning. So I'm going to show you how to cook brown stew chicken just in case you run out of browning and you want to do it this way. So this is the Jamaican brown stew chicken with homemade browning. Okay? Okay, so this is the chicken, and what I've done is seasoned it up with some jerk seasoning, black pepper, and you don't need to add salt if you're using the jerk seasoning because salt is already in the jerk seasoning. So these are the chicken sizes. So I've already seasoned this up. Now this plate here I have my thyme, sweet pepper, that's red and green sweet pepper, scallion, carrots, medium-sized onion, and scotch bonnet pepper. Here's my scotch bonnet pepper, and garlic. Yep. So my cameraman is going to be him. That's my fiance, Sean. Say hi, baby.
Hi, baby.
Okay, so here I have the oil on the fire. The cameraman is going to take over from me. And the pot is heating. Now what I'm going to do, this is some brown sugar. Here, this is some brown sugar. So I'm going to add this to the oil. About 2 tablespoons. I'm cooking 2 pounds of sugar. I'm cooking 2 pounds of chicken, rather. Yeah, so just let the sugar heat up. So what you're actually doing is burning the sugar, and that will make your browning, as you can see there. Too much steam, baby. Okay, so now I'm gonna add my chicken. And if you can realize, I'm cooking in the Jamaican dust pot. As you can see that nice brown color that the chicken has. And there was no browning on it. So you actually just made your own browning, which is definitely a lot more healthier since there's no preservatives and stuff like that. And your chicken is nice and brown. So what I'm going to do now is reduce the heat and cover this for just about 5 minutes or so. I'll stir again and then I'll come back and add some water. So I'll pause this video for now. Okay guys, so this is the chicken, and now I'm going to give it a little stir so you can see it. As you can see, it's even already started making its own gravy. So what I'm going to do now is add my seasoning to it. So as I said, this is carrots, green and red sweet pepper, garlic, onion, scallion, and a sprig of thyme. And my water. So my fire was on medium, So what I'm going to do now is put it back on high. No, it was on medium. So there you go. So I'm going to turn back the flames on high now, and I'll cover this, and I'll come back in the next 20 to 25 minutes so you guys can see it. Okay guys, so I wanted to come back and show you guys the chicken as it's simmering down, and this is about 7 minutes after I've thrown the water in it, and it's simmering down now. At about 10 minutes from now, I'll be adding some tomato ketchup to it for a thicker consistency. If you don't have ketchup, this is another trick for homemade. If you don't have ketchup, you can mix a little flour, about 2 tablespoons of flour, mix it to a thick paste, and add it to whatever it is, your chicken or whatever other meat that you want the gravy to be thickened. I'm not tried it with curry because I don't have a problem with my curry gravy being thick. And so I'm going to let this simmer down for a couple more minutes, and I'll show you guys the finished dish. So what I'm going to be sharing this with is some brown rice. So I've put some brown rice on, and that's some butter and salt, and I'll show you guys the finished dish. Okay guys, so this is our chicken. So I already added my ketchup, and it's boiled down to gravy, and it's finished. So I'm going to turn it off now, and I'm going to share it. And this is my finished rice, nice and shelly. So my food is finished, so I'm going to share it and present my finished dish. Okay guys, so this is a finished dish, and here is your brown stewed chicken with brown rice and some cucumbers for vegetable. So this is a nice healthy dish, and this is done Jamaican style, of course. So leave your comments below, like and subscribe, and let me know if there's any dish that you would like to see me cook, any Jamaican dish, and I'll do that. I also have a Jamaican curried chicken video. Let me know if you're interested in getting the link, and I'll see you guys soon. So here you are again, your Jamaican brown stewed chicken with homemade brownie. Looks like jerk chicken, huh? Yeah. So, as you can see, I'm hot, tired, and I'm out of here. It's your girl Celia. Bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed.